Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show how to use SigmaMind AI API on Zapier. So first let's generate an API key in SigmaMind AI. So from your home dashboard, go to the settings, click on this API keys. From here you can see I have already created API keys. You can also delete it from here. Now let's click on this create API key. Here just give the name and click on this create. So once your API key is generated, make sure you copy this key and store it somewhere safely because once you close this window, then this key will not be visible for anyone. So let's move to the Zapier. Here you can see I have already built a scenario where whenever data is added to this Google Sheet, then the scenario will get triggered. So for triggering a call, here I have selected this Webhook. In Webhook, I have passed this endpoint URL for creating a phone call. This URL you can get from SigmaMind AI. Here you can see in SigmaMind doc, we have this create phone call APIs. This is the endpoint URL that I'm going to use. In header, we have to pass the content type, value is the application JSON, the API key that we have generated here on SigmaMind AI platform. And next in body, we have to pass from phone number to phone number and the agent ID that we want to trigger for this scenario. This agent ID you can get from SigmaMind AI only. Uh, so this is the agent that I have built on SigmaMind AI, and here is the agent ID. You just need to copy this. Now let's use all this information in Zapier. Here you can see I have passed the endpoint URL, I have selected JSON. In body parameter, I have passes all this info from phone number to phone number and the agent ID that I want to trigger. And in header, I have passed the content type and the API key that we have generated on the platform. Now, when I click on this continue, I should get call from SigmaMind number. Let's see. You can see here I am getting the call from the SigmaMind AI number. Now let's receive this call and see if that agent is triggered or not. Hello.
Hi there, I'm here. How can I assist you today?
As you can see, I immediately receive a phone call from the SigmaMind AI number, and when I answer the call, the AI agent starts speaking, which confirm the agent has been successfully triggered. And that's it. This is how you can use the SigmaMind AI API to trigger a phone call and AI agent from any third party application. Thank you.